good impact on the pupils because it's a safer environment and we could become more of a community.
It's a lot nicer and better than the other school. We get more opportunities with the bigger classrooms there.